Okay, so I know a lot of us are really into the throw up style of graffiti where all of the letters are big and bubbly and they're often a lot more readable. We can definitely use this technique in 1 point perspective, but the way that we use it is a little bit different since the letters are a lot more bubbly. Rather than having them right here at the front face of the buildings, we actually are going to draw them right here because these throw up graffiti letters, they're very much free-handing each letter, so you don't really need to use the ruler as much. And since you don't need to use the ruler for it, it would be better to place them right here on the sides of buildings. The only thing you do need to look out for is because when we are looking at these buildings on the sides, they get smaller and smaller as they approach the vanishing point. Our throw up signs have to kind of follow that rule. So I'm going to say that this right here is as big as I'm going to make that word, and then down here I am going to make the bottom word about this large, right? And so right now I can start going in and drawing my letters. So if I went in and I wrote, let's say, this throw up, that phrase, then what I would do is right here I could start on the T, everything's still kind of bubbly, right? But right now I'm following basically these lines. And so right here when I go in to write the H, I'm going to follow again these lines so that I'm still in the correct perspective. They're going, as the letters get away right from me and they go towards the vanishing point, they get smaller. So right here we have the O, and then right here is the W, throw, and then up here we go, okay, this is the U, and then this is the U, and then we have the P, and then we'll just add a little exclamation point. And so it says throw up, and now it's still in the correct perspective, right? Because they are now getting smaller as they go to the vanishing point. And when you want to draw on this side, it's the same idea, only now the rays are going to be slightly different because we are now looking at a building on the opposite side of the vanishing point. And so now we're going to start writing our letters in between these lines right here, and it'll be in the correct perspective. All right, thanks. That's it.